Turkey side? It's a great picture. And the female is brown and white, and she'll be with him. You'll walk parallel. You move forward. I think because they see the female.
Viste? Tomaram um banhozinho.
Does someone need this, or does it get spilled? First aid kit.
Somebody needs it.
Who needs it?
I got a scrape on the knee.
Let these folks through.
Someone's just had it.
Someone said there was a fake
It's down that way.
Down that way.
and then if you cover it, you can take it and then it'll just fall.
I was just going to put a Band-Aid on it. That's the issue with the skate. Also, it's so humid.
Is it bad?
Just
It's bad? Like deep or just?
try not to, for all of us to stare at you, but just want to make sure you're okay. Wait, is my rock still yeah, that's the real important. Is that a rock in your pocket or are you just happy? I'm just happy.
They know what they're doing.
Hard-boiled eggs into my
They know what they're doing.
and I like skin.
Hey, Liam.
I tried to take a photo with
Liam.
Purple flower.
Oh, that's pretty.
Liam.
You see it?
Liam.
Purple flower. Yeah.
Liam.
Liam.
You see the cool flower over there? Big open flower. Who's that?
Yeah, they're like, it just was like a, but the cut was bleeding a lot, and we didn't think the band-aid could stay.
Oh no.
This is a really unfortunate spot.
It's not bad. Do you listen?
On the club team.
Bro, my first call on the ambulance was because of something.
Oh, no way. In the wrestling room?
Yeah.
I was there for that. It was like 2 years ago, right? Yeah, I remember that day clearly. We were in practice. Guy like on his knees like that gets pulled back. All he hears is a big scream. And we look around and his like kneecap's like out. I have the picture somewhere.
He was handling it. No, the kneecap was literally like here.
Yeah, it was bad. And then he took a picture. He's like flexing like that. And then we were like, we still like an hour left to practice. And we were like, you want to keep going? And everyone was like, no. It was real.
That's so crazy.
I'm really glad I stuck that in my pocket last
Yeah, I remember like there's that one cop showed up.
Yeah. But was that after the EMT show?
No,
It's not
cop
ready.
showed up first. They called volunteer and everything.
That's so funny.
Because I was actually helping Hannah apply, but well, not helping, but like I was telling her to apply to the.
Just
the
to
lab.
I just wanted to show you. Now my throat.
That's not any
What
old
was
rock.
what we were talking about yesterday was like throwing a rock. Oh, from the when the low tide is out and hitting it with
it's
the
in the
water
water,
from where the rooms are.
Was I there?
Maybe not.
He's like, where are you going?
I remember Dusty was talking about it. I thought it was our joke and he came up, but I
At the,
Can't wait to go to the beach.
You say?
yeah, like it was like when low tide comes in from the room, like when we're not thinking throw a rocket, he's not gonna hit like go on a bet.
Oh, I was
Is that tonight?
No, it's really
Well,
not
no,
okay.
My
It's
sense
like
of
strike,
everything is like
strike 2 now.
on my sense, yeah.
Strike one. Strike one is you talking about stuff.